Hey Princess House, Thelindabradley here with your Miracle Dish Monday. So Christmas is literally 1 week away. It's crazy. And I know around the holidays you get really busy and really crazy, and I have a really good recipe for you to use on Christmas morning. You know, you get up early, you got all the presents, everybody's hungry, they want to eat. I have a really great frittata recipe. So a frittata is basically an egg dish, but it's like quiche, but it's without the crust. So it's much healthier for you. And the coolest thing is you can add all different kinds of things depending on what your family likes. But I'm going to use the 9x13 one, the dish tonight in the Fantasia, because here's the deal. You could make this ahead of time, put the lid on it and put it in your refrigerator, and then Christmas morning when you get up, just take it out of the refrigerator, let it sit on the counter for about 20 minutes just to get to room temperature, pop it in the oven, and you're going to have a wonderful meal. So I'm going to make the frittata today. In here is 12 eggs. Yep, you need all 12. And then it has 1/3 cup of milk. It has 2 tablespoons of sour cream, which you really need just for the texture. And then it has 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Now you can add in whatever you like. I'm going to make a vegetable one. So this has spinach, and I also have roasted red pepper, and I have onions. And then of course you're going to add the cheese. But keep in mind that you can make these however you like. So this one will be a vegetarian one. And what's also nice about it is if you're gluten-free, this is a totally gluten-free recipe. It's a keto approved recipe. So it's a real good, strong protein one. Now, if you have meat lovers, make 2 of them. You can make it with bacon or sausage, or any kind of meals like that. Pork sausage, right? Or the pork, what do they call that? Taylor pork roll. So then you're just going to go ahead and put it in. This is how easy this is. You're going to pour it in your pan. This is the 9x13 Fantasia Fresh. And that's it. It goes in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. And then when it comes out, you're just going to cut it into squares and then people can grab it. It's delicious. In fact, if you want to try this a different way, you can also make it using cupcake tins, right? And then they come out in these little cupcake things. You can freeze them, and that's great for your quick mornings. You know, you're in a rush, you're trying to get the kids off to school, you're off to work. You can go ahead and pop them in the microwave and defrost them and eat them right away. So you're not eating junk, you're eating healthy. I try to bring you recipes that are easy with things that you already have at home and are delicious. And this one fits the bill. So please come back every week. I will give you a new recipe. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like it, and share it with your friends. Thelindabradley at myprincesshouse.com is how you can get a hold of me. And I'm happy to help bring busy people to the table in a healthy and beautiful way. Have a wonderful holiday season.